Just an hour's drive from Hanoi lies Duong Lam Ancient Village, a place where time seems to stand still. With its moss-covered gates, laterite stone houses, and winding alleys, this village is often called the living museum of rural Vietnam. Today, let's walk through its timeless streets, explore its culture, and discover the activities that make this village so special. Duong Lam is known as the first ancient village in Vietnam to be recognized as a national heritage site. Its houses, built with laterite stone and red tiles, are more than 300 years old. Walking through these lanes feels like stepping back into Vietnam's past, where traditions still shape daily life. This village is also the birthplace of two Vietnamese kings, Phung Hung and Ngo Kien, heroes celebrated for their roles in the nation's history. Temples and communal houses here are not just monuments, but gathering places where festivals, rituals, and cultural events are still held. A visit to Duong Lam is not just about sightseeing, it's about participation. You can cycle through quiet alleys, join a local family to learn how to make traditional dishes like chai lam or tuong, fermented soybean sauce, or try farming in the rice fields. Each activity gives you a glimpse into the slow, harmonious rhythm of village life. No journey is complete without tasting the local cuisine. Duong Lam offers rustic meals cooked with fresh ingredients straight from the fields. Specialties like roasted pork, rolled in tea leaves, peanut candies, and soy sauce carry flavors passed down through generations. Beyond its architecture and cuisine, what makes Duong Lam truly special is its atmosphere. Peaceful, authentic, and deeply connected to Vietnam's roots. Here, the sound of footsteps on stone alleys replaces traffic, and the warmth of local smiles welcomes every traveler. Duong Lam Ancient Village is more than a destination. It's a journey into Vietnam's cultural soul. For those seeking history, heritage, and authentic experiences, this is a place where the past and present meet in harmony.